Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nufia Salsabila Fajarwati from English Education Department, 222-317-00 and 11-7B. In this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal from lecture seminar on ELT with the title An Analysis of Students Speaking NCT of English Foreign Language at the 5th Semester English Department of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. The chapter 1 is introduction, chapter 2 is theoretical framework, and the chapter 3 is research methodology. The first one is chapter 1, introduction, identification of the research. The first one is the student emotion inhibits or disturbs the concentration of study. The second one is the student at 5th semester were show sign of NCT in speaking foreign language. The third one is the student were worried about making mistake in speaking in English. The formulation of the research. The first one is what kind of NCTs do the student have in speaking. The second one is what is the cause of NCT for students speaking English. The next is objective of the research. The first one is, the objective is to know the factor student believe contribute their NCT in English foreign language at 5th semester English Department of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. The next one is chapter 2, theoretical framework. Speaking is the delivery of language through the mouth. To speak, we create sound using many parts of our body, including the lungs, vocal cord, tongue, teeth, and lips. Burton states, the main feature of speaking is the way in which the talkers allow one another to have their say by the series of signals given by tone of voice and hand gesture of facial expression. The speaker who has taken the active position to take the role makes a corresponding series of verbal response. In addition, speaking is shown that not only by voice but facial expression to make talker more correspond and make conversation become clear. The next one is NCT. NCT is a psychological construct commonly described by psychologists as a state of apprehension, a vague fear that is only indirectly associated with an object. Broad states that NCT is associated with feelings of uneasiness, frustration, self-doubt, apprehension, and worry. To put it in another word, NCT can be generally associated with threats to self-efficacy, and appraisals of situation as threatening. Speaking NCT. According to Hartwise, he is identified three performance NCTs. Namely, the first one is communication apprehension, a type of shyness that is felt when communicating with people and that manifests itself through NCT, as NCT, and fear of negative evaluation. The second one is fear of negative evaluation, stem from an individual's concern of being evaluated negatively, leading to the individual avoiding other evaluation and evaluative situation. The third one is test anxiety, defined as a type of performance anxiety that arises from fear of failure felt in academic evaluation environment. The chapter 3, research methodology. The research design is descriptive, qualitative research. The research subject is the student of 5th semester English Department of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. The data collection technique. The first one is observation. The second one is interview. The third one is questionnaire. Data analysis. The first one is data reduction, data display, conclusion drawing, and verification. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.